Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I know that on my last video or one of the other videos, I said that I was going to we wanted to do a review on one of the gas stations that were here. That was a pretty big gas station here in Texas. But I think what I want to do is just do some more builds. We have a lot of little projects that we want to do or that we need to do, and rather than doing that, I think I'm just going to continue with some of the build, just so we can start getting this stuff out of the way. We need to put our refrigerator or our fridge, we need to put that up already because it's scratching our floor and it's making a really bad mess, or making it really look ugly. And then I'm going to reduce some of the cabinets that we have. At the beginning I was using cheap wood to put the cabinets on there, and when we paint it over, you can see some of the lines out there when we have paint over it, and I don't like that. So I want it to look really smooth, really kind of professional, or nice at least. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do the fridge, fix that, do the cabinets, kind of finish our floor. I haven't finished it yet for the shower, so I'm going to finish that as well. And I believe that might be it for today. But yeah, I mean, if you can see, I'm already sweating. It's hot already. It's about 12 o'clock and it's already hot. And so yeah guys, so that's what I'm going to do today, and just follow along if you want to see this. Thank you to our new subscribers. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. It really means so much to see that there are people out there that like our videos, and you know, that just want to see what we're doing. And so thank you guys. We appreciate all of our subscribers. And yeah man, just if you're new to this channel, just like and subscribe, and you know, and just comment on some of the stuff that you see. If you have any questions on anything that we're building, just give us a comment, ask us. We'll definitely answer you guys. And so yeah, so let me stop talking. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. And yeah guys, so just watch this. Okay, so this is where I'm at. This is where our refrigerator is gonna go. These are too small, so I'm gonna have to take these out. And we bought longer ones, so I'm gonna put some longer ones in there. Only concern that I have, or the only situation that I have, is that this is too short for our fridge. It needs to go out a little bit more. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna put a piece of board to go out and hold the fridge and then pull it all out that way. So yeah, that's the only problem that I have right now. And so let me see what I can do. I really don't know what I'm gonna do or how I'm gonna do this. Yeah, and then also here's another deal with the hidden floor, the Flex Seal part. See, I mean, if you don't take care of it, or I mean, if you smash it or do something, I mean, I've been rough with this floor, so it's really it's just peeling off. And I mean, like I said, I've been rough with it lately with the door that we have. And so I mean, I don't expect us to be like that all the time, but just that's a little thing. It's just right here and right here where the door was dinging it, and it kind of messed it up. So yeah, but yeah, so let me get this straightened out and see what so as you can see, I'm at the Lowe's parking lot, and I'm glad I did, because I can run in and out when I don't have any tools. And right now I don't remember what happened to my socket kit. My socket kit, or my socket kit, and so I have to run inside Lowe's and grab a new one. Yeah. All right, so I'm back from buying stuff. You know, I don't know. I'm not gonna try to go on an event on this one, but man, Lowe's is, I don't know. It seems that they don't always have the tools that we need, and try to find somebody to help you out, and you can never find an employee, so you have to try to rig it up somehow. And so, yeah, I had to buy these socket set. I had to buy a whole socket set and then buy an attachment to it. So. But anyway, back to